In this video, I am going to explain time scaling property of the Fourier series. Time scaling the property. Time scaling property of the Fourier series. Of the Fourier series. Statement. Let S of t be a continuous time periodic signal with the time period is t. With the time period is t. The time period is t. That is equal t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Fourier series of x of t is equal to Cn. Prove that Fourier series of some scaling factor is multiplied with time t. Scaling factor is a multiplied with time t is equal to is also Cn, where consider proof. This one is proof. Suppose let this one is x of t. This one and this one. The time period of this one is a signal is +1 of -1 of -1, that is equal to 2. Suppose another signal x of 2t, that means -1 by 2 +1 by 2. Signal is compressible. Here is the signal is compressible. -1 by 2 to +1. Therefore, the new time period is t dash is equal to 1 by 2 minus of -1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Therefore, comparing these two, t dash is the time period of x of 2t is equal to t by 2. Here t is equal to 2. Is equal to 1. Let the time period of x of t is capital T, and the time period of x of at is t dash, that is equal t dash is equal to t by t. Here a is 2 in this example. Let omega naught is the angular frequency of the signal x, and omega naught dash is the angular frequency of the signal, x of a. Omega naught dash is equal to 2 pi by t dash, that is equal to 2 pi by t dash is equal to t by a, that is equal to a into 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t is omega naught dash is equal to a omega, and t dash is equal to t by a. This is the time period of the signal x of at. So the angular frequency of the signal x of at. Find out the Fourier series of z. Now find out the Fourier. Let z of t is equal to x of at. Find out the Fourier series of z of t, that is equal to 1 by time period of x of at is t dash, t naught plus t dash, z of t e power minus j n omega naught dash into t dt. Here t dash is equal to, we know that t dash is equal to t by a, that is equal to 1 by t by a, t naught plus t dash is t by a, so t dash is t by a, z of t e power minus j n omega naught dash is value is a omega naught dash value is a omega naught. This is a omega naught. Omega naught dash is a omega naught into t. Here a by t naught plus t by a, z of t is x of at e power minus j n a omega naught t, n a omega naught t. Let a of t is equal to tau. A dt is equal to d tau. A dt is equal to d tau. Upper limit and lower limits are changing. Lower limit tau is equal to 80. Therefore, here lower limit t is replaced with t naught. Lower limit is 80 naught. Upper limit is equal to tau is equal to 80. Tau is equal to a into t is replaced with t naught plus t by a. T naught plus t by a, that is equal to a t naught plus t. Here dt from this expression, dt is equal to 1 by a d tau. Substitute all these in the above expression. That is equal to a by t. T naught is replaced with 80 naught. Here 80 naught plus t. 80 is equal to tau, x of tau e power a into t is tau e power minus a n omega naught 80 is n omega naught tau. Here dt is there. Here dt is equal to 1 by a dt. That is equal to a by t 1 by a 80 naught plus t x of tau e power minus a. Here n is also there. N omega naught tau d tau. A cancel. Therefore 1 by t a t naught plus t x of tau e power minus a n omega naught tau. In both the cases, this is tau is replaced with t 1 by t a t naught plus t. Tau is replaced with x of t e power minus a n omega naught t dt. Therefore, Fourier series of x of at is also Cn. Time period is the same. Time period is the difference between these two. At naught plus t minus at naught. Therefore, time period is same. T naught to or T naught plus T. The time period is T naught plus T minus T naught. T. Here also at naught plus T minus at naught. Therefore, the time period is T. Therefore, Fourier in both the cases, Fourier series expansion of Fourier series of x of t is equal to Cn. Fourier series of x of scaling factor x of at is also Cn. But time period is changes to time period of x of at is changes to t dash is equal to t by a, and angular frequency of omega naught is changes to a into omega naught. A value, angular frequency increases, time period is compressed. With this scaling time scaling property of the Fourier series complete.